But look at us today, my brothers and sisters in Islam. The same brother who told me about the man who said those evil words to his mother, he told me, listen to this and I will end my reminder. He says that his daughter, she was doing a course for caring for the elderly. So she was sent for experience, she was sent to go and work in a care home that is run by Catholic missionaries. So she goes to the Catholic missionary home for the elderly and she finds two Muslims. رجل صومالي, a Somali man, ورجل من أهل الساحل, and a man from the coast. And their children, they have dumped them and they have abandoned them. And guess what? Both of them, they have left the fold of Islam. والأب, and the father is very bitter because of what his children have done to him. He is now actively inviting people to come to that newfound faith. Man is sabab. Who is the cause of this? Wallahi, I want to salute the Somali mothers because they are very special. Somali mothers, they raise the children. They educate the children. They sacrifice for the children. Who will give you testimony like the mothers of Edmonton in Canada, who have seen their children die and getting shot before their eyes? Or the mothers of Toronto, who have buried their own children in their lifetime? Or the mothers of London, who ran away with their children to come to Kenya for fearing that they would be stabbed to death? Go to the YouTube and watch a BBC documentary about the sacrifices that is made by Somali mothers. Wallahi innahum ajib. They are amazing. So I pay testimony to the Somali mothers. But so sad that if you go to YouTube, you will also find a video of an incident that happened in Norway of a young Somali youth who stabbed his mother to death. قتل أمه. يا جماعة الخير, تريد جنة, you want success في الدنيا والآخرة, بروا أمهاتكم and you will have success. أقول ما تسمعون وصلى الله وسلم وبارك على نبيه محمد.